CareerOneStop is a huge national career information website supported by a grant to the state of Minnesota by the U.S. Department of Labor, Education and Training Administration. People are now using mobile devices as their only internet access, including a lot of hard-to-serve populations who tend to be, on the lower end of the socioeconomic scale. And we realized that to continue to reach those folks, we were going to have to go mobile.
The primary obstacle was probably dealing with those older phones and just having a solution that isn't going to take a whole lot of maintenance, because with all the different devices out there, different screen sizes, different capabilities, it's really difficult to keep up with those and make sure your site is looking good on all those devices. Huge testing task, in addition to the normal testing that we have to do just to have a functioning website. It's my personal opinion that the future is moving towards solely web-based, using web technologies to develop these applications. And for us, the overhead to develop what we started with is 5 different applications. The testing, then you have to develop them for 3 different platforms if you want full coverage. We've then ruled out feature phones to be able to access our information. So really working with Netbiscuits allows us to use a single platform and cover all those devices. And it doesn't require a lot of special knowledge that developing for the iPhone or Android would require. The support documentation on the Netbiscuits site was great, and it's really jump-started our development efforts because we didn't have any staff who had worked with the platform before, so that's always a risk when you go into this, that we're going to struggle with the technology. But the documentation was very informative, had a lot of nice tutorials, so we were able to get 3 developers up to speed and developing those sites within a matter of days.
So we've seen dramatic increases in the number of visitors. We're up over 13 times since we released in January, and over 5 times the number of page views for mobile visitors. So it's been rather substantial growth, and we see it continuing month to month.
Netbiscuits really allowed us to have a mobile strategy and get started, whereas previously we just didn't think it was possible.
I would buy Netbiscuits again in a heartbeat.